This video was sponsored by my mom. Thanks to her for sponsoring this video.
Hey guys, so today we are going to be doing an unboxing. I asked my mom if I could buy this on Amazon a few months ago. Yeah, and my mom just told me that we are trying to order it, but because of the coronavirus, it's really hard to order. But it's here today. I didn't know it, so my mom just gave me a surprise when I was reading. So today we are going to be doing an unboxing of this. So let's just open the box. And this is the Pseudo-Tac ST800 studio condenser microphone. Okay, so in the box is this. Is like a manual right here, and also the first thing out of the box is this pop filter. It's bigger than I imagined. Oh wow, it's really big. So here's the pop filter, and here is the microphone windshield, or everything that covers it. And right here we have a shock mount, and also a stand. Oh wow, this is really good. And also this to like clamp onto the table, a wire for the microphone, and right here is the actual microphone itself. Oh my gosh. Look at this. So yeah, let's just maybe I'll set it up and I'll tell you when I'm done. Okay guys, so I just set it up right now. I got the arm right here and the wire all attached here, and we got this pop filter, and we also have this. I'm just going to put that on immediately. Okay guys, so I just put this soft thingy on it, and also the pop filter. So yeah, this is basically the unboxing of the Pseudo-Tac ST800. So thanks for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button if you're new, and I will be making a sound test video of this microphone. So yeah, peace out. Goodbye.